Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining us at GolfCartGarage.com. Today on GCG TV, we're taking a crash course in ordering golf cart lighting products. Getting your lighting project right on the very first try starts with ordering the right parts for the job. First, the most important thing to know is that when it comes to headlights, taillights, and wiring, there's virtually no such thing as a universal fixture. We talk with a lot of customers who want to replace a broken headlight or to upgrade from halogen to LED fixtures. The only way to do this is to order new fixtures from the same manufacturer as the lights already on the cart. If you're unable to find out what brand of lights you have, it may require that the project start from scratch, much like a cart with no lights to begin with. Here's a quick explanation of how wiring in the golf cart industry works. And I'll let you in on a little industry secret here. When it comes to golf cart lighting products, pretty much none of these manufacturers seem to play very nicely together. There's really no mixing and matching of components here. You have to dance with the one who brung ya, as they say. Who says that? If your intention is to buy a single component of lighting like a turn signal or just a pair of headlights, you'll likely need it to be from the very same manufacturer as the lights already installed on your cart. Even when the plugs from a light match the plugs on another brand's wiring harness, they usually still don't work because of the wires being translated to different pins inside the plugs. So here at Golf Cart Garage, you can order single components like fixtures or turn signals if you already have our ROX brand lights and wiring installed on the cart. If you're installing a new kit with wiring, they are available in a basic level with simple headlights, taillights, and the wiring to get the job done from scratch. The next step up is a street legal level with turn signals and other extras as well. These kits are available for the top models from Yamaha, E-Z-GO, and Club Car. Our specialists here at Golf Cart Garage would love the opportunity to help you choose the right lighting solution for your cart today. We even have some spotlights and LED light bars great for hunting and other industrial purposes, but that's another episode for another day. Stop by GolfCartGarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 to help outfit your cart today. Remember to subscribe below for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCG TV.